Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 8 divided by 2 then times 6 minus 4. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. 6 minus 4 gives us 2 and the 2 times 2 equals 4. So 8 divided by 4 is just 2. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and the finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one division, one multiplication, and the one parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have one subtraction. Here we have a multiplication. Because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication. And we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parentheses, then this division, and finally this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have 6 minus 4, which equals 2. So we have 8 divided by 2, then times 2. Now we have one division and one multiplication. As I said, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division. 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. So we have 4 times 2, which equals 8. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 8.